So basically, it's good to go, and it'll start dinging immediately. So yeah, you just look over my shoulder, look into there. So I don't need to do that, do I? So I am trying to. I'm just trying to figure out how to best. Okay, so I'm getting some. So I'm fairly clueless here. So look at the. You see that little red line in there?
I do, yeah.
So we got the magic dinging sound.
Back a bit.
So am I looking for the red circle to turn green, or?
Ignore the colours. Just try to align the two circles.
Okay, and
I
then
think you just come out a little bit. That's it. Down a bit.
yeah. So whenever it's dinging, it's taking a reading.
Yeah.
It doesn't ding as much for me.
Yeah, it's those words, and that's it.
Yeah.
That's good. That's it. Okay, so
So the bottom one, 23.7.
okay.
It's come up with an average. These two are from the Model I, so ignore the
Okay.
means calculated.
So that's 23.7, which is kind of close to what it was. So okay.